one, for the region bounded by the graphs of y equals e to the power of x minus 1, y equals 0, and x equals 1, we're going to find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region about the x-axis. And basically, we're just going to use this formula here for the volume of the solid of revolution about the x-axis. We can go ahead and sketch a little graph here. We can start with e to the power of x minus 1. So basically this goes up here, e to the x power usually starts here. This is your parent function, right? So basically the negative 1 means we're going to shift it down by 1. So basically our graph's going to look like this. Just shift that e to the x down by 1. And so that's your asymptote there. So it goes up to something like that. All right. And then we have x is 1. So I'll put x is 1 here. That's your x is 1. When x is 1, we're going to go up here. And this point here would be e minus 1. So that's about 1.718, right? All right, and this is 1. All right, so the shaded region is going to be right in here because it's also bounded by our line y equals x. Y equals 0, sorry. All right, so we're going from 0 to 1, and we use this formula, so the volume is going to be pi, and we're going from 0 to 1, and your y is going to be e to the power of x minus 1, square it, dx. All right, this is going to equal pi times the integral from 0 to 1. Let's square this out. This is going to be e to the power of 2x minus 2e to the power of x plus 1 dx. All right, and when you integrate this, you're going to get this equals pi. And for this piece, it's going to be 1/2 e to the power of 2x. And for this piece, it's just going to be the same, minus 2e to the power of x. And for the 1, you get x. And we're evaluating this from 0 to 1. All right, so let's substitute in 1. If you substitute in 1, you're going to get pi times 1/2 e squared minus 2e plus 1. Minus, when you substitute in 0, you're going to get 1/2 e to the power of 0 minus 2e to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 equals 1. So basically this is going to give you pi. And for this piece here, let's see. If you add all this up, this is just going to be 1, and this is going to be 1. So when you put everything together, you're going to get 1/2 e squared, and then you're going to have your minus 2e, and then we have to do this. We have 1 minus 1/2 plus 2. So that's going to end up being 5/2. All right. And if you want, we can factor out this 2. And that would give you equals pi divided by 2. And then you'd have e squared minus 4e, because we have to multiply this by 2, and plus 5. It looks a little better. So this is your volume. Or you could just use this as your volume. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.